It's weird, slow falling.
I'm not too fond of it, but it's not terrible.
Used that movement speed. Oh man, there's a question mark thing up there. Gamble! God, this game's easy. I don't see why people say this game's hard at all.
Do people say this game is hard?
Oh yeah, man, all over the internet.
I don't believe you. This game is very easy to manipulate.
Rapidly heal outside of combat. Ooh.
Now let me go down here.
Ah, darn it. What are you doing down there?
Oh.
Hello. Artifact of Enigma. What the? Did you just fly upwards?
Yes.
How do I get up there? I want up there.
You go down to the bottom, and then you go across the thing, and then you do the thing.
Thanks, Captain.
Got you, bro.
Oh man, the water's sinking. Oh no, it's not.
No, I wish that was the thing. The ability to sink the water would be awesome.
We must drown the water.
Oh, the M's hurt. Oh,
Did I-
it hurts so bad.
Did I give you an item or not?
Probably maybe.
Oh yeah, the time keeper's secret.
Nope, that opened up something different. Oh, I can't tell at the moment. Wait a minute.
Are you dying?
Yes!
Why are you doing that? Stop it.
Imps! Oh god, the same crap.
Oh lord. Nope.
Yo, when you get a crit, and you just reduce the cooldown of a 2-second ability instantly.
I got a toxic centipede.
So I just killed like 4 bosses at once. 3 bosses.
Too strong. Nerf Austin, please. Opening the chest. I think it was a duplicate.
Yeah, it came up here. Oh, that's the first aid kit. I'm probably gonna take that too, if you don't mind.
Good. I don't need items or anything.
I mean, come get it then.
Nah, it's alright. You take it.
No, I'm not touching it.
I can't get up there. Take it. Don't let it disappear. You let it disappear, didn't you?
It hasn't disappeared yet.
Well, then take it.
Only because I had to. There are missile claymen after me.
Oh, is that what those crab things are?
No, those are just sand crabs.
Oh. Sand
Oh,
crab.
thank God the time stop kicked in. Where's the teleporter? We need to just hit it.
I don't know. Was it at the beginning? Whoa! Oh, I found I found it.
Hit it.
Get it. Oh, and I found the boss as well.
Found a boss. Okay. We're at the point of the game where bosses spawn as normal enemies.
Oh. Oh, Jesus, I'm gonna die. Haha! What shall you do now, cretins? Awesome, I found a winning strategy.
What's that?
I'm sitting on a bouncy thing, holding my gun down. There's a bunch of guys up here with me.
I forgot how taxing it felt. Because it's like, it's not even difficult, it's just arduous to clear massive amounts of enemies at once.
Yeah, especially when they chunk like 4% of your health.
Well, when they're so tanky.
I'm going to spawn a chest. It might appear with you.
It
Yeah.
did.
What is it?
I don't like that item. You can have it.
What is it? Where are you?
It's the red whip.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Yeah, I don't like that item.
What does it do?
whenever you're out of combat, it will increase your movement speed drastically.
Ooh.
But that counts for just when you attack as well. So like if you accidentally attack, your movement speed gets slowed down considerably.
I mean, you just get slowed down to normal, isn't it?
Are you kidding me?
What?
A third wicked
Oh
ring?
wow.
This is I'm
Don't.
salty. I don't ever get one wicked ring on my runs.
I don't want that. Screw that.
What is this garbage?
Wee! Look how fast I am.
Take it.
Hey.
That'll work for both of us.
Heal quickly when standing still for 2 seconds.
Oh yeah.
That is an oddly specific item.
It's amazing.
Oi.
So, like, we're just gonna have you stack those up for the rest of your life.
I can't see us surviving too much longer.
I think we'll be fine.
Wow. You do a lot of damage, friend.
The quibs are OP.
Snarf.
Oh, Chris.
I hope that just becomes... becomes? I hope that just becomes... Yeah, becomes. I hope that just becomes a massive meme. Hold on, let me kill it. I got this. I got him, coach. And... Is that another wicked ring?
No.
Oh, it's oh yeah, it's the barbed wire. That's right.
Which I would like to start.
Here, you go kill that. I'll go to the door. Oh, what is this thing? I gotta use here. Beast best set. What? Best served cold.
Do you know like the giant vagrants?
No.
The giant flying jellyfish.
Oh yeah, I know those.
Those attacks they use, where it's the balls.
So should I keep that or should I have my chest back?
Depends on what you prefer.
Chest.
It's a relatively good used item because it only has a 20-second cooldown.
I just used a chest and it didn't appear, so it might be over there with you. All right, fine. I'll get the other thing.
It depends on what you prefer.
I'm gonna do that. I've had chest long enough. I have plenty of items.
Oh really?
Yeah, I have barely over a row of items.
I mean, I also have barely over a row of items.
Oh god, the difficulty. I'm coming for you.
Oh man, we're almost to my favorite difficulty.
What is that? So we should probably just immediately start the next boss, right?
Yes.
Alright, so we need to find that thing. Oh. That thing you do, is that the quips?
Yes.
Jeez.
The use item. I love.
Oh!
Oh, that's so good.
Sorry. That
No,
probably should have... Oh, does it apply for both of us?
Yeah, no.
Oh.
But it's fine that you take it because when you use your use item more, that's good.
Well, I mean, mine's not the chest anymore.
Use it. It attacks enemies.
Oh. Really?
Yes, really. Do it. Please, good God.
It froze time.
I'm dying.
I did it.
You did do it.
It didn't attack anything, it just froze time.
No, they freeze and then instantly hit stuff. And then time freezes.
Oh. Neat.
So I'm just gonna chill over here for a second and heal up. Mother. Come here, you dummy.
Oh, I have that thing that makes things just occasionally explode, don't I?
Yep. They explode on death and hurt nearby enemies.
Oh, I can do that a lot. Oh, wow. With that, cooldown reduction item, that thing's on like a 13-second cooldown.
I know, it's so busted.
That thing does a lot of damage, doesn't it?
What?
The
nozzle?
The whatever I have.
Yeah, it's a nozzle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
I can just kill stuff without killing stuff. What is this? Oh, I got Squib.
The quibs!
Should I keep the other thing?
I would keep the quibs. Are you kidding me?
Alright.
These things are so much stronger than the nozzle.
Oh my god, that's what that is.
I love
It's on a 30-second cooldown.
so
This
good.
isn't that bad. Like, I remember the last time I got to this kind of difficulty, we just died. Oh wait, we had like a bunch of modifiers and stuff on, didn't we?
Nope. Well, probably. We don't at the moment.
No, we don't, but we probably did.
Oh, okay. Now we're on my favorite difficulty. Yeah, exactly.
That's amazing. Dude, squibs are ridiculous.
They are absolutely the worst kind of best.
The worst kind of best.
The best kind of worst, however you want to put it. They were gonna like add extra content to the game and stuff.
Uh-huh.
But
Oh, I found the teleporter.
because they didn't, they were like, so here's an update that to apologize to you guys for lying to you. They added 2 new characters and 10 new items.
Oh, wow.
The quibs being one of those items.
Is the chained up guy one of the new characters?
Nope. He's been in the game since the beginning.
Oh. In the beginning. That thing you do makes such a sound.
Yeah, and you can hear it no matter what. At least once they hit something. So what we can actually do is we can just go to the final boss on our first run and finish the game.
Yeah.
Do several runs.
Yeah, we might do more of these. I love this freaking game.
Well, like what I'm saying is we can do that, or we can move through the levels.
I think we'll beat the boss this time. And squibs!
Double squib power!
That's pretty broken, having 2 squibs.
Imagine if we have 3.
Imagine if I had a real weapon.
Imagine what dreams were made.
Imagine what?
I said, imagine what dreams were made. I don't know where I was going with that.
Yeah.
Don't you trust me?
Can I get back to you?
How do you like the guns? Shock and
Oh, I see. Who is that? This says that?
Misfortune.
Oh, correct.
Yes! Yes, it is correct.
I could not remember.
How about I make your pulse rise or stop?
Please.
I used a shrine. It's not even guaranteed payout. It paid out both times I played it without fail. You gave me the same use item twice.
Beat me up, Scotty.
And it's one of the most useless use items in the game.
Is it squibs?
Yeah, squibs are useless.
I can hear the salt in your voice. Did you just squib? For no reason. Oh, hit it.
Let's just do that now because I don't like this level. Just remember that remember to pay attention to what button you get this time. Just remember to pay attention to what button you get this time. Just remember to pay attention to what button you get this time. Because the button to go on to the next level will just loop the game over.
Oh, I see.
And at the current pace we've been going, I don't think looping is a good idea.
No, I don't think it is either.
We would have to sit here and fund this level for a while to make it worthwhile. I love getting to the point where I can one-shot
Ah!
the final boss.
Oh, dear God.
Pick this item up.
I can't. I'm not near you.
Well, come pick it up when you can, because it's good for you.
Alright, I'm on my way. I don't like that item.
But it's good.
Squibs!
The Quibs!
This reminds me of the wizards from Legend of Zelda. The lizards. The lizard wizards.
You're a wizard.
Wiki Wild Wild West. Squib! Oh, finally, killed all those guys.
Wait, what? Wait a minute.
What?
Wait a minute now.
What?
It's
Is it a gold?
It's a golden chest. I don't know why it's right here. Of all places, this is not supposed to
Squib.
be. Come here. I have an idea.
Yeah.
Just button mash A on it. Okay,
Oh, you trying to glitch it?
I was sitting here like, maybe we can both pay for it at the same time, so then it would work.
That would be dumb.
But that didn't work. I mean, we could wait for the gold to come through.
Wait, let's get this. Let's scavenge for gold.
Wait a minute, there's 2 golden chests on this level.
What? Well,
Wait a minute.
we're not going to be able to open it, so let's just open the normal chests. What is that?
That's stun on attack. You should probably take it.
Ooh. And... oh. Hey.
Another drone, please. Thank you.
Look at you and your little robo army.
Oh, you should see some of the runs I've had.
Squib. Beam me up, Scotty. Oh, wait.
Remember to pay attention to what button you get this time.
What button did I just hit?
You hit the loop. Okay, that's fine. Let me hit the teleporter next time.
And a 2-parter. Yeah, I realized that there were 2 buttons. It was Q that I was supposed to hit.
Yeah.
Let's find the teleporter. Yes, this is gonna be a 2-part video.
I mean, we can just do this level and then go on to the finish.
Oh, can we?
Yeah.
Oh,
like,
okay. So every level has. Okay, that's not that bad then.
yeah. So, oh, come on.
Oh, it's an overloading magma worm.
Rip run.
Why is this thing ridiculous?
Yes. He
Squib!
juked me! He juked me with the quibs!
I hit him with quibs.
See how much damage it did in comparison to what we've been doing?
You're gonna die.
Nah. Because I have a health burn.
I poisoned him. Alright, I'm gonna get some glasses. Oh dear God. Oh lord, there's another boss here now. This is the time for squibs! Oh, I'm dead. Don't res me.
I can't res you. That's not a thing.
Oh. Well, beat it on your own.
Where's my
Oh
health?
God, what? There. It says Rex. You embrace the void. Ah, GG. Woo! Oh my God, that was insane. That went from 0 to 99 in like 2 seconds.
Welcome to looping.
Oh God, I hit the wrong button. All right, well, next time we might actually beat it.